You asked, how to divide 65,000 by 12 using the long division method. 6 is too small. Use 65. 65 divided by 12 equals 5. 5 times 12 equals 60. 65 minus 60 equals 5. Bring down 0, making 50. 50 divided by 12 equals 4. 4 times 12 equals 48. 50 minus 48 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 12 equals 1. 1 times 12 equals 12. 20 minus 12 equals 8. Bring down 0, making 80. 80 divided by 12 equals 6. 6 times 12 equals 72. 80 minus 72 equals 8. The remainder is 8. The final result is 5,416 remainder 8.